Today, we will show you how the communication feature works in Samelane. Communication allows administrators to create custom messages and send them to users, all or selected ones. Messages appear in the user dashboard's communication section in either the unread or read section. When a user marks an unread message as read, it ends up in the read section. In the administration panel, administrators find the communication section with a list of all messages created on the platform. Administrators can use one of the predefined templates to create a message. They can edit and preview communications, assign users and departments, and see reports. To send a communication to a selected list of users, the administrator needs to tick the checkboxes next to usernames, click the selection, then the Assign Communication button, and choose the message from the list. It is possible to send one communication more than once. In that case, the communication will show in the user's unread section once again. In the Reports section, administrators can find communication reports with statistics on messages sent, for example, their read rates. You can learn more about the communication and available features in the knowledge base. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to learn more about well-matched selection of Samelane LMS features.